Marcia Donovan here for Putnam County Library Virtual Storytime. My Christmas Animals playlist has stories and songs about reindeer, farm animals, and penguins. Up on the housetop is a song about noises on your roof. The Animals' Christmas is a story about animals singing with the angels. Hark the Herald Angels Sing is a song that even animals can sing along to. The Carol of the Animals is an old English song about animals giving gifts on Christmas Eve. And The Friendly Beasts is a flannel board version of that same song. A Wish for Wings That Work is a story about a penguin who gets his Christmas wish. Hope you will enjoy my Christmas Animals playlist.